Hi guys, today we are going to make a butterscotch banana cream pie. There's lots of butterscotch pie recipes and lots of banana cream pie recipes, but not butterscotch banana. And we're going to use the pie crust, the Pillsbury pie crust. Now you can make your own pie crust, which would be probably so much better, because the problem I have with these frozen pie crust is it always shrinks and it doesn't fill up completely in the pan, so it's sort of a deceitful thing. When it's raw, it looks like it's going to fill it up and then it shrinks every time. I know that there's a trick using beans, but I didn't want to use my beans. But what I did learn is you can use rice, or you can use these pie crust weights. Let's use 2 bananas. Slice your bananas into small slices. We're going to try this anyway. 1 cup of brown sugar goes in a saucepan. 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, let's stir this mess up. Now we're adding 2 cups of milk. And we're going to cook this on a low heat. Stir it constantly until it thickens. Separate the egg yolk from the egg white, and you can use the egg white to make meringue, but I'm going to use whipped cream on this pie. We have 2 beaten egg yolks. Add some of the pudding into the egg yolk. Mix this up because we want to heat the egg yolk up so it doesn't fry. Now add it into the pudding and stir that up quickly. Add a tablespoon of butter and a teaspoon of vanilla, and cook this for another 5 minutes on low to get that egg cooked. Add the bananas to the pre-baked crust. Spread them around. Get over there. All right, this is nice and thick. Let's pour it over our bananas. Ooh, steamy. Let's spread that around. Shake it up a little bit to make sure that it gets down in between those bananas. Put this in a 400-degree oven for 5 minutes, just until the top browns. I think this step thickens it up a bit. Now while it's cooling, you can whip up some whipped cream or some Dream Whip, or use Cool Whip. Let the pie cool and then put it in the refrigerator, and then you can cover it with whipped cream. I'm using a recipe for butterscotch pie, but you don't have to add the bananas. This is perfectly fine without them. Sprinkle it with some sliced almonds, which is optional. Let's try this and see if this is any good. The whipped cream hides the ugly crust, so it works out. And there you have it. Butterscotch banana cream pie. Delicious. Very sweet, but not, overly so. Very decadent. The butterscotch banana is a really good mix. If you like butterscotch, it's perfect. Wrap it up and store it in the refrigerator. As usual, thanks for watching.